Report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled?
Bakara.
This is your final call to board.
That's an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you...
Detained.
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum.
Transmissions mean nothing.
Those colors are vital to your interrogation. Do not forget them.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order.
Safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Hate these two droids anyway.
Detention Northbridge. Prisoners not seen
The escape pods just follow us. This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. There's a shortage about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Staffer is cognito. Lieutenant back here. Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.